So, winners of the Open female surf boat for New South Wales. How do you feel about that, Nikki?
Oh, the girls have worked pretty hard for it. They've trained themselves to a bone this year, gone so hard, and yeah, they're well deserved.
How long have you been together as a crew?
We've been on and off for a fair few years. What, about 13 years or 10 years?
Yeah, probably 13 as a core, but this crew
This
since
first year.
September.
And how many kids do you reckon you've got between you?
Well, I'm pretty sure it's only 6.
Last count was 6. And some of you are from the original Xenis crew, and a couple are returned from other sports. What do you like about your current crew and the way you're rowing and stuff?
We just make it work. I've got a couple of shift workers, little kids, people working in Sydney, so we just make it work any time we can train.
We've all been mates for years, so I think that makes a big difference. You don't want to let each other down.
And how did you feel about that race? And at what point did you know you were going to win it?
Did we?
After we crossed the line, yeah. Yeah, we didn't
no
know
idea.
until well past the line.
Were the conditions challenging at all, or are you just sort of took it in your stride?
Favourable.
Yeah.
We like, as long as it's a race, we're happy.
Yeah. And who was the boat that you were watching out for the most?
None.
We're just watching our rules.
Yeah, unfortunately all.
Early, obviously.
All of the girls in the final
Yeah.
were good. It was just sort of just do your best out there, really.
And especially in these conditions, you can only just keep your head in your own boat.
We're lucky we got some good runners coming home, and it all worked out.